Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a file on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first want to do is head on over to ChatGPT. Once we're there, create a new chat, and then under where it says ask anything, it will have a little paperclip and attach this so we can upload files and more. So simply click onto that. Then from here we need to log in or sign up for free to use this feature. Once you've done that, you'll be able to upload your file directly into ChatGPT. And I'm going to jot down all the supported file types. So we got documents, PDF, docs, text. We can upload spreadsheets, certain presentations, code and data, images. And now here's some notes here. So you got a max file size of usually 20 megabytes per file. You can also drag and drop or click the paperclip icon to upload files. And if you're using ChatGPT in a browser and don't see an upload option, you may need to enable it by using ChatGPT 4 with tools.